am back with another YouTube video. Okay, I actually gotta make this quick because I'm pressed for time, but for one, I was cute. Let's start with that. Okay. Anyway, so this video is side hustle ideas in 2020. Okay, so some people like, I want to make money, I want to start a business, I don't know how. Maybe you're not passionate about something, or maybe there's really no business things that you can think of. So I'm here to help you with some quick side hustle ideas. Okay, well, first of all, here's the thing. When you come up with the side hustle, you have to think about something that you actually do a lot. Those are probably the best easy side hustles to even think of. So like, for one, if you're online all the time, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, find ways to make money from that. So maybe you make an account. Okay, you guys ever seen those accounts where it says like 23-year-old black woman survived a car accident and now she's training people how to, I don't know, overcome surgery? Or maybe you see a post that says like 25-year-old opened 6-figure ice cream shop in under a year. Those types of things. You can create an account like that, you guys, and you can make money from that. So basically you create the account and then you post a few little memes. You have to make a few little memes, and then you start charging people $15, $20, $30 a post, and they'll post it on there. And I message people all the time just to see what their prices are, and you can do that too. I was like, hey, how much is it for a shout out? They'll say like, oh, it's $15 if you want a 2-hour post, or it's $35 for a 3-day post, or $50 for a permanent post. Like, y'all, that racks up. You can make anywhere from, you can make a solid like 10K a month. I'm not even trying to be funny, off of those type of Instagram accounts. I follow some people who have like food pages, and they'll just post food all day, and then other restaurants will pay them to post food on their account. So that's a great side hustle, and that doesn't require a lot of time. Heck, your butt's sitting on Instagram all day anyway. Okay, another way you can make money, if you're always watching YouTube videos, create your own YouTube channel. Hello. YouTube is not the fastest way to make money by any means, which we're always looking for fast, so you shouldn't always be looking for fast. But if you're always looking for fast, it's probably not the fastest way to make money, but it's definitely a great source of cash flow. Another way to make money, you guys, let's see, if you're into doing your hair and people know you for, oh my gosh, your hair is always cute, I just love your hair, what product are you using? Think about creating your own product. So a lot of times we're so caught up in doing a tutorial, tutorial brushing your hair, but instead we're advertising other people's products. I use this grease and this curl activator, I use this, use that. If it's your own product, that money's always going to go back into your pocket. So maybe if you're always taking cute pictures and you're posting for Fashion Nova all the time, or you're always buying from Fashion Nova and people love your outfits, maybe you should get your own clothes and sell them. Like, there's so many ways to make money out here for side hustles. If you have a lot of free time on your hands, and there's a few YouTubers and influencers out here, they don't have as much time, you can become a personal assistant. That's a great way to make side money. You can even sometimes you can tell people I only have 5-10 hours a day to do this for you. Sometimes it's just like simple little tasks. You can be a virtual assistant. That's a great way to make money. You don't even have to see these people in their face. Another way to make money from a side hustle is to run someone's social media account. There's so many businesses out there, you guys, who lack in the social media department area. Their presence lacks. Maybe they just need help keeping up with posts. You guys, you can get paid to post on Instagram for someone else. I'm gonna say that again. You can get paid to post on Instagram for someone else. Great way to make money. Another quick side hustle that you can do, be a content writer. So a lot of times people need ghostwriters, whether it be for a book or whether it be for a blog post of theirs. If you have quick time, you have great writing skills, knock out a quick post, and you can even just be a person that oversees and make sure that there's no grammar errors. You can get paid for that. There's so many ways to make side money. It's crazy. More side hustles. Maybe you like to collect like vintage stuff, or china, or like little knickknacks. You guys, vintage, you could sell vintage stuff and make a killing. you can sell that stuff on eBay, Etsy. You guys, that type of stuff makes a freaking killing. That's a great way to make money, to set up some type of online store and just sell little collectibles that you probably collect and buy any freaking way, and it's just sitting in your house. Fiverr needs to pay me because I didn't mention them a couple times. Fiverr is a great way to make money online. Again, that's selling a service or a skill. Maybe you're good at something. People like me, we don't have time to do everything, so we look to outsource, and that's a great way to make money. If you have some type of skill that you can sell on Fiverr, you can set your own price. It says it starts at $5, but people charge like $5, $20, $30, $100 per hour for anything. So that's a great way, and that's a great way to find clients if you are offering a service-based business. Maybe you're really good at drawing. Maybe you can draw some tattoos for people. I know there's a lot of times people are looking for people to draw their tattoos. Maybe make an Instagram account and just post your drawings, you guys. You never know who can pick up something and what can take off for you. So a lot of times side hustles become like full gigs. So that's another great way to make some money. Tutoring online is another great way. People are always looking for tutors. Skype tutors, great way, great way to make money. Even with social media, you don't have to technically be licensed to give advice, you guys. You can start a business giving advice without even being licensed. Double check, because don't quote me. But I know a lot of people who sell services, just talking to people or just like letting people vent to them, deeming themselves as an expert, and you can talk to people and make money online. There's so many ways you got. Like when I tell you everything is a job and you wouldn't even realize it, everything is a freaking job. Everything makes money now in 2020. So don't sleep on yourself. Get out there, look up some of your passions. You guys, the opportunities are endless to make money. So this is just a quick video on some ways to make some quick cash. Again, don't always think quick, but with these things, they are fairly quick. Now, I didn't say they'll make you rich, depends on how you work it, but definitely these are some great ways to put a little extra cash in your pocket. I know if you're in college, sometimes, you know, the rent's due. Maybe you have a 9-to-5 and you still don't feel like you have enough spending money between paychecks. These side hustles will get you over that hump. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, make sure you tell your friends to tell their friends that you can be friends. Follow me on Instagram at Trishana, and I will see you guys in my next video. By the way, this outfit is from Genre Vein, because it's back, baby. If you guys don't know, Genre Vein was my first true business, maybe my second. It's an online boutique founded by myself back in 2012. 2012, I actually started selling stuff in 2014. And it is back in 2020. So this outfit is from there. If you're seeing this, you can get 20% off of your purchase by using code Trishana on YouTube. Not on YouTube, but just code Trishana for 20% off. But you guys, it is back. It is back. Oh, did you say my ponytail? Yep, that's back too.